everyone, welcome to Light Smile Gardener. Today I have some wonderful helpers that will be making some wonderful planter containers where they'll be planting some basil and some oregano, and also planting something else in their planter pots for this coming late fall time. So I've got all my nephews here and niece Mel, and they're going to be going and doing their process one step at a time. One of the things I want to let you know is it doesn't require a lot of effort to get your kids involved in planting. I just use simple thing like a cardboard box, one of the really strong cardboard box, use duct tape on the outside, put some cardboard on the inside, and then had some weed protective barrier on the inside so that water will go through, but your plant will then not be water soaked because water will go through the plastic barrier. So it doesn't require a lot of expense to make it fun and easy for you to do something really awesome with your kids and to teach them about planting. So today we'll be doing basil and oregano, and then the kids will pick one seed that they want to put, maybe two seeds that they want to put along with their basil and oregano into their planter beds. And you guys get to watch us do the fun process. So here we go. Everyone's gonna start getting their containers and start to put their dirt in. Okay, so I will show you each step of the process so you guys can do the same with your kiddos, okay? Keep on watching. Hi everyone, so we're back. So everyone has had an opportunity to put some dirt into their container. Look at that. Now we're gonna water that down so that the soil is nice and moist. We don't want it soggy, we just want nice moist soil. And then we're going to add in a lot of nutrients before we add the water so that everything gets mixed into our soil. And then after we've moisturized our soil, then we're going to add in some worms, and then we're going to also put in our plants into the small miniature little garden bed that we had, raised bed that we're making. Okay, so I will walk around and have you guys get a close-up view of what they're doing as they're going through each part of the process. Okay, so thank you guys and just keep on watching. Hi everyone, so the kids just finished putting in some worms in their containers.
But this is the end result after the kids have added their worms, their herbs, and their soil, and it just looks amazing. And a lot of them have kept up in maintaining it, and some of them have not. So I'm really excited that they were able to have some fun in the summer and come over and plant some herbs that they can take home and that their parents can use. And this is, again, something exciting for you to do with your kiddos during the summer or even during the fall. I'm here in Arizona, so it's a little bit warmer, so you can plant year-round some of your herbs because they will survive through the summer and the fall and cool weather season. thank you everyone for joining. As always, I appreciate all the support. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you next time.